Off-roaders, boaters, and adventurers know the value of a reliable winch. Whether you're recovering a stuck vehicle, loading equipment, or handling heavy-duty pulls, a winch ensures safety and convenience. With so many models available, choosing the best one for your money comes down to pulling capacity, warranty.
List number 1. The OpenRoad 13,500-pound recovery winch is a powerhouse designed for serious recovery tasks. With its impressive 13,500-pound pulling capacity, it's perfect for trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles tackling tough terrains. The synthetic rope is lightweight, safer than steel, and easy to handle, an excellent feature for those who prioritize safety during recovery operations. The winch comes with a weather-sealed motor and heavy-duty construction to withstand mud, rain, and rugged use. Its 3-stage planetary gear system ensures smooth and efficient pulling while reducing strain on the motor. Many users appreciate its remote control system, which provides safe operation at a distance. Compared to higher-priced winches, this model offers excellent value for money, combining high pulling power, user-friendly features, and reliable build quality. For off-road enthusiasts who want performance without overspending, the OpenRoad 13,500 is a strong investment.
List number 2. Rough Country Winch Mounting Plate for 2018 to 2024 Jeep Wrangler JL. The Rough Country Winch Mounting Plate is not a winch itself, but an essential accessory for Jeep Wrangler JL owners looking to mount one. Designed specifically for 2018 to 2024 models, it ensures a perfect fit, making installation straightforward and secure. Made from heavy-duty steel with a black powder coat finish, this mounting plate is built to last. It can accommodate most standard winches, giving you flexibility to choose the best winch for your needs while maintaining structural integrity. The design also retains factory bumper functions and aesthetics, so you don't compromise on looks. For Jeep owners who plan to invest in a winch, this mounting plate is a must-have. It ensures stability, durability, and safety during heavy pulls. While it adds to the overall cost of a winching system, the protection and ease of use it offers make it worth every penny.
List number 3. A winch is only as good as the accessories that support its use, and the Warn Epic Tree Trunk Protector is an indispensable tool. Designed to protect trees during recovery operations, this heavy-duty strap distributes load evenly, preventing damage to bark while ensuring strong anchor points. Made from high-quality nylon webbing with reinforced end loops, this strap is rated for demanding recovery scenarios. It's also UV-resistant and designed to handle abrasion, ensuring long-term durability. The Epic Tree Trunk Protector not only enhances the safety of your winching setup, but also demonstrates responsible environmental practices. Though it's not a winch, investing in this accessory ensures safe and eco-friendly recovery operations. For those serious about off-roading, pairing a winch with Warn's Tree Protector is a smart and responsible choice.
List number 4. Zostera 3,500-pound ATV UTV winch electric boat trailer winch 12-volt. For ATV, UTV, and small boat users, the Zostera 3,500-pound electric winch is a compact yet powerful option. With its 3,500-pound pulling capacity, it's ideal for lighter-duty applications like pulling small vehicles, trailers, or boats. Equipped with a 12-volt DC motor, the winch offers smooth operation and consistent performance. Its durable steel cable combined with a reliable clutch system ensures safe pulling and easy control. The compact size also makes it convenient to mount on smaller vehicles or trailers without adding unnecessary bulk. The Zostera 3500 stands out as a budget-friendly solution for light-duty needs. While it doesn't match the heavy capacity of larger winches, it excels in portability, value, and ease of use. For recreational users who want affordable reliability, this winch is a solid option. List number 5. Wyson 6-inch winch roller fair lead cable guide fit 4,000 to 5,500 pounds UTV winches. The Wyson 6-inch winch roller fair lead is a practical accessory designed for UTV winches rated between 4,000 and 5,500 pounds. It helps guide the cable smoothly onto the drum, minimizing wear and reducing the chance of tangling or fraying. Made with high-strength steel rollers and a corrosion-resistant coating, it's built for durability in outdoor conditions.
The smooth rollers reduce friction, extending the lifespan of both steel and synthetic cables. Easy to install and compatible with most standard winches in its range, it's a simple upgrade that adds significant longevity to your equipment. Though it's not a standalone winch, the Wyson Fairlead is an excellent value addition to any winching system. It ensures smoother operation, protects your investment, and makes every recovery task safer and more efficient.